The best way to reach your attorney is usually to ask for a phone conference or an in-person meeting with them, or a request to be kept up to date with documents. In today's electronic age, it's very easy to be copied on documents. My experience has been that most of the time, attorneys or paralegals and or their secretaries are forgetting to copy clients on the numerous correspondence, pleadings, memorandums, reports that are being done on a case. An attorney can be doing the best job in the world with daily dozens of documents moving on a client's case, and the client will have no idea of the tremendous amount of work being done on a case. The easiest way for an attorney to keep a client informed of their case is to simply copy the client on their documents in their case. I find it very amusing to find many times when a client has packages of documents that they received from me, and unfortunately many times they don't look at them, and then ask me what's going on my case. And I ask them to, well, have you looked at any of the recent documents? And they say, yeah, I've looked at them, but I've never opened up the envelopes. I have the whole bag over here of all these papers. Well, that's fine. A lot of times the clients want an in-person, face-to-face update as to what all those papers and documents mean. There are many different clients and many different requirements that clients have. Many clients like to read the documents themselves. Many people want an explanation in person as to what the documents mean. Sometimes telephone conferences suffice. So the best way of keeping someone informed about their case is on an individualized basis as to what is going on. Many times it's just important for the client to let us know what's going on with them. We do not know what's going on inside a client's body and their injuries. It's very important for the clients to document their injuries and to report them to the doctors. And those complaints of their injuries and what gets recorded in the medical records is the most important documentation of what their injuries are. It's not good enough for the client to tell the attorney what has injured them. What is required for a personal injury claim is that the medical records document what their injuries are. Medical records by medical practitioners that will be able to testify in court if need be as to the injuries, diagnostic testing, any type of modalities, treatments such as physical therapy, medications, any injections and or surgeries would be very important evidence of what's going on in the case. Those records are many times the most important documentation and the most important progress as to what is going on with a case. It is those documentation of injuries that many times will be the deciding factors on what are the injuries in the case, what is the diagnosis and the prognosis of the injuries, and how did that particular patient client progress over time in response to the modalities that medical practitioners, experts have given their clients to get better. If you have any questions about any injury case, please call the website, call the number on this website,